Hello, welcome to Adventures with Chris, and I'm just covering this new Hotel Chocolate Potster I got as a Christmas present. Here's the little pots that it comes with. That's the little boxes they come in, and I'm gonna make myself a nice hot drink and show you guys, because I have tried this machine. So what you do, you load in there, look, there's the pod in there. You shut this up like that, and then you press. When you plug it in, the water goes, sorry, I do apologize, the water goes in here, that fits onto there, and obviously then plug it in, you switch it on from there. They'll flash. Once they've stopped flashing, the machine is ready. So let's have a look. Oh, look at that. I did, when I had this the other day, I did swill it out 2 or 3 times so it washes it out, otherwise you know, you'll have a plasticky taste. But I have tried the coffees from these and it really is nice. It stops there, but if you press it again, these are big cups. I mean, obviously they're only small pods. There you go. Like I say, there's the little aluminium pod. It's coming through. I hope you've all had a nice Christmas. You got everything you wanted. Should we try that one more time? Get more coffee. Like I say, I hope you've all had a nice Christmas. It's been quiet for me. Next year it's going to be a lot more coming up. A lot more. I've sorted myself out some transport. I'm going to speak to a friend of mine this evening. It's Friday the 30th of... Yep, Friday the 30th of December. I forgot what date it was then. And there is your cup of coffee from the Hotel Chocolat. And I think you just open it up. The pod falls through into a compartment in there. What I'm going to do now is put that over there, and I'm going to pop another pod in and make a friend of mine a hot coffee drink. So what you do now, you put the pod in, there it is, you pull the lever down like that, make sure it's set, and away we go. I love this cup. This is one of my late father's cups, property of Her Majesty's Prison Parkhurst. he used to give that guests when they came to my mum and dad's house many moons ago. Bless him. Like I say, once again, just press the button and you get a nice coffee. So once again, stand by for the new year. It's all starting in January with more travel coming up, going further afield. I'll let you know about that as and when it happens, but there'll be sites, museums, castles, all sorts coming up next year. So stand by for that. Don't forget, hit that like button, press the subscribe, and Adventures of Chris, and I'll see you all out there soon. And by the way, don't get too drunk New Year's Eve. Happy New Year to you all, and speak to you all real soon. Bye.